Hey guys, Curtis from all the King's Projects. You see I got a bumper laying around. Quarters are still here. The doors are still here. You see that? I just painted that. Farm all red. Two-wheel Chevy chassis or frame with a good rear end, good suspension on the front. It's been sold. Frame, Tahoe. Looky there. Cab. Getting there. Kept the hood from the Tahoe. Sold the red hood. Guy needed one for a red truck, so I sold it to him. We changed out the carpet. Put the Tahoe seats in here. Console. Wood grain grill. Not grill. Dash. Put the stereo system out of the Tahoe in here. Headliner still the same. Still the same. We're going to put that piece up there. Door panels need to be cleaned up, but we're going to figure out some way of tying in this part to the truck, making it a tan color in there. We still got the wood grain pant thing to go on here. Maybe I'll figure out something here, something wood grain. Maybe paint them tan. We'll put the seat belts in here. I got a back window coming, California. It's tinted already, so that's gonna be good. Got the motor all wired up. Everything's all wired up. I've just got to get the battery charged. Try to get the other window up. So it's coming along. It's a long bed. Trying to figure out what I'm going to do. Is I'm going to shorten this bed, but I really don't want to ruin a perfectly good long bed for somebody that needs one, because I'm not real sure about my cutting and welding skills. I'm thinking maybe a short bed will fit. I got my eye on a short bed step side. I think might work. I'm waiting back on the guy to get me measurements. But got the side of the house painted from that storm. I still haven't got the tarp put back on the top of the white shed. I got pieces of stuff laying all over the place. I'm gonna cut this metal up. Cut the I don't know what you call them, mounts that were on the Tahoe. Maybe fabricate them into the bed somehow to work on there. There's the doors that are left. That was the firewall. It crushed the firewall too. We got it down, stripped down, and got the carpet out. It did crush the firewall too. So, and of course that's the roof. So there was no point in making a square body out of that firewall. So I went the other way and went with that. I was gonna have to buy a dash anyway, so I got that cab pretty cheap. file for a title on it, and there we go. There's the running boards. Storm messed up my hood. I'm gonna have to repaint it. It blowed it all off and already clear coat it, so I needed to put a couple more coats on it anyway, so didn't do it. Bought a shed, another little shed, and that's Tahoe floor. Part of the roof, part of the floor. So might as well use the metal somewhere. So anyway, guys, hope everybody's doing good. Hopefully I can get this shed shingled in the next couple days. I'm running out of summer. Fixing to have to go back to work. I'm gonna go over here. Got fence back together. Still got one panel there. Gonna have to put it over on the east side of the house, but we got those panels up. A gate, I should have rebuilt it, but it was a pain building it the first time. So, but anyway, there's my scrap pile. Gonna cut all these up in little pieces and eventually haul them all to the scrap bin. But anyway, I'm gonna have to probably gonna have to go with a fuel cell, which will be alright. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna jump off here. Everybody, y'all have a great rest of your day today. Have a great day tomorrow. Make your third day, which is Wednesday, make it the best day of the week. And it's the middle of the week. Halfway through. So anyway, peace out, y'all. Have a good one. I'll see y'all soon. Bye-bye.